Okay, this is the backyard. As you can see, we're not getting out of the gate anytime soon. Whole lot of drifting going on. Tiny doesn't seem to mind at this point, but then again, he hasn't ventured back into the deep stuff. This is what I had to shovel from the patio to get a path out here for the puppies to go potty. Don't know if you can see it or not, but my garden, it will have plenty of rain or moisture for come spring. Oh, I guess Tiny's going to make it all the way back there. He's having a good time now. Burn off that energy, buddy. Nice little snowdrifts back there. Nice little drift right here. Yeah, we won't be using the gate anytime soon.